Welcome, Shankaran Paramselvan from Chennai. We are happy to discuss many things from last couple of minutes. And Shankaran is a corporate, having corporate experience in
Right.
supply chain management from last 27 years. He is now working as a procurement excellence coach, in simple language, supply chain management coach. And he is helping a lot of MSMEs to help grow their business using supply chain expertise. So today's topic was related to real estate. He is following my content from a couple of months and through Facebook, YouTube. So I just want to ask Shankaran, you are also a coach. You know, you impact on many people, many businesses, MSMEs. So how do you look at real estate? आप real estate के बारे में क्या सोचते हो? What is your opinion about real estate investing in India particularly? Please.
Yes. Thank you, Sandeep, for taking me into this conversation. Yeah, so basically, I have been seeing your contents and WhatsApp messages, YouTube videos, and all that. And because being in the similar field, I'm also doing in my own field. So I was interested to kind of know what you're doing and all that. If I talk about real estate, yes, see, real estate, there are many people that I have read as real estate is one such thing where it can give you recurring income, passive income, all this kind of things. Traditionally, we have been investing, everybody has been investing in some form of real estate, either plot या फिर घर लेते हैं या कुछ तो everybody in their lifetime they would have taken, but it is all on low. But what I understood is real estate as such, like I used to follow Robert Kiyosaki. I used to follow, like I said, John Assaraf used to talk about Remax and all that. So all these people have always taught that you should have a business, generate cash flow, invest it in real estate, and whatever the passive income comes, that you spend for your luxury. This is the pattern how you have to use your money, not just by taking a loan and buy an asset. It's not going to be worth it, and if it can be worth, provided if the returns that you are getting is much more than your interest. So real estate is a very good form of investment over centuries. So there's no doubt on that. And nowadays, India is growing. So India's growth story, this is one thing that everybody is talking about. Now you invest it in any metropolitan city, it can give you definitely more than your FD returns. That is what I understand. And you are in that space. Definitely, you have so much experience in this and that. So yep, you can add a lot of value to people who want to invest.
Yes, thank you for that. One important point which you have just mentioned about Robert Kiyosaki and being real estate is the only asset class which is there in the market from several decades, centuries,
Yes.
because people simply because it's a need. Unlike mutual fund, unlike stock markets, crypto, gold, even gold, it's not a need, but food, clothing, and shelter में से shelter, makan is a need. That's why real estate becomes different. Of course, there are many myths and resistances to it, like higher ticket size, कैसे invest करे. But Robert Kiyosaki, Grant Cardone, and many other people are telling कि you can do it creatively. They call it creative investing, wherein you can have low money down, and in many cases no money down investment can also be possible if you do it creatively, because it's a need. So that's why I keep adding value, sharing strategies on my various channel, because I always believe that instead of consuming content, if you create content, it will help many people to grow in their lives. You are a coach, you are not into real estate or finance sector, but still you have invested. I cannot disclose your investments, but you have invested couple of times, and that's why you are at a different financial stability level. So
Right.
each one of us who is listening to this video must understand, even if you do 2 or 3 deals in your lifetime properly, proactively with the planning, then you can be at a different financial level. You walk with a confidence, you work differently, you are not dependent on your job or your business, And that's what everybody does, be it Dhirubhai Ambani or Mark Zuckerberg or any actor, Bollywood actor, Hollywood actor, anybody has real estate as a part of their portfolio because it stores value. So I'm happy, Shankaran, that you discussed many things here. One last quote, one last thing I want to know with about you, considering your perspective on it, is what do you think about 2030, the third term of new government, the stable government is coming, capital markets have already boomed. So what do you think about real estate as a layman, whether it is good time to invest and all?
Yes,
Few
yes.
comments.
See, basically, real estate used to be very highly priced. A lot of like US had a crisis of real estate crisis. It got crashed and all in 2008, 2009, like that.
Subprime
Yeah,
crisis.
prime crisis. Like that, real estate was not on real prices. Prices were inflated like anything, because of various reasons. Now, since demonetization, since this government took a lot of steps, since RERA came into place, I think a lot of regulations are in place. And you can see almost every corporate is entering real estate. I've seen Mahindra going into, Tata going into, Godrej is there. I have not seen Reliance, but otherwise everybody else is getting into
Piramal
resident,
housing is into.
yes, residential accommodation or commercial complexes. Why? Because they know now everything is regulated. India does become regulated, and particularly talking about third term of this government, BJP government, comes in place, obviously, because the 10 years what we have seen is completely different. We can see on the ground level, as a citizen of India, we can see lot of changes. So many airports have come in, so many, developments in the railway sector, so many things have happened at the city level. So I really feel that, and we are clocking about 7% GDP growth on year, where the entire global recession is there. Every country is either, you know, uh, not growing or negatively, depreciating their GDP values. But India is growing. Why? Because we have our reasons, whatever are the reasons. I don't want to go into the reasons, but definitely third term, like Narendra Modi says, we will take it to the 2047, India will become a developed nation. That is the thing, and every indication is there. Already, GST collection month on month is growing. Now that shows a lot of this thing after post COVID. Every field is growing. Maybe because of AI and all, some disruptions have happened, but definitely overall economy is doing well. So real estate is one such field where now all those corrections have already taken place. Whatever prices have crashed by 25% during this period, now it is at a very stable level, and prices may go up again because the demand is also going up. So it's the right time to invest, according to me also. And if you want to read the reward of India growth story, I think this is the right time.
Yes. Thanks for those words. Thank you, Shankaran, for being here with and adding value, sharing your thoughts with all my audience.
Yes, it's my pleasure.
Yeah. Take care. Bye bye.